Okay, so today I got a little issue. I bought this brand new Remington model, the Remington Rustler model RM2580. Brand new, as you can see. And as I was cutting grass, the twine itself, the double spin twine, has two sides or whatever. It went in and cut off or whatever as I was spinning it, and for my life I cannot get this cap off to reseed the twine on this thing. I've twisted, I've done everything the instructions say. I've even went on YouTube. I can't get this head off. I got a screwdriver. I can't get this thing off to reseed. I can't finish my grass and edge my grass. And I know they have different heads that you can buy for this thing, which is really cool, really neat. Or can someone please help me with getting this off? I've twisted it, I've pushed it down, but as far as taking it off, I've almost broken my hand taking this thing off of this Remington Rustler. And I don't know what else I need to do to get it off. Maybe the people at the company can tell me how to get it off. I bought it from Northern Tool. The model is the Remington Rustler RM2580. And I just wanna finish my grass. That's all I wanna do, is finish my grass, edge it up, be done with the yard. I'm in Houston, it gets hot here. If you can help me, please help me. I'm desperate. If you can call me at 713-430-6378, that's 713-430-6378. You could text me if you can give me any insight, because the next thing I'm gonna do is take it up to Northern Tool to see if I can get them to give me some insight on how to take this thing off. All right, y'all, thanks.